Let's learn how to fix missing features on TikTok. If you want to have all the features on TikTok but don't know how to get them, don't worry. After watching this video, you'll know how to get them. The first way is to open the App Store, and when you open it, click on the search option located at the bottom right. When you click on that option, type in TikTok. After you do that, a page with TikTok will open. If it says open next to it, it is updated. But if it says update, click that and wait a bit. If this didn't solve your problem, then you need to open TikTok. When you open TikTok, you will be on the home page, but you don't need to stay there. You need to click on the profile option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click on that, a page with your profile will open. On that page, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. When you click on that, a menu with several options will open, but you need to click on Settings and Privacy. When you click on that, a page with many options will open. On that page, you need to scroll down a bit. After scrolling, click on the Free Up Space option. When you click on that, click on Clear next to both cache and downloads. If some features still don't work after this, I have another solution. First, you need to close TikTok and open the Settings app. After opening Settings, you will be on a page with many options. On that page, click on General. When you click on that, a page with more options will open. On that page, click on iPhone Storage. When you click on that, a page with a list of all your apps will open. On that list, find TikTok and click on it. When you click on that, a page will open where you need to click on Offload App. When you click on that, wait a bit, and the Reinstall App option will appear, which you need to click on. If even this doesn't solve your problem, those features might not be available in your country. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.